It is a sunny day at the construction site. Excavator is busy keeping everything neat.
Wait, what is this?
Excavator found something hidden under the sand.
It looks like an old map. How exciting!
Treasure map. I need to show my friends.
It's a secret treasure hunt map. Look at the big red X. Come quickly, I found a treasure map.
Excavator is so excited. He wants to find the hidden treasure with his friend. Called the Tiny Truck Team.
Here comes Dump Truck, ready for a new adventure.
Beep, beep. What did you find, Excavator?
I'm ready to help find the treasure. Bulldozer is here. He is strong and ready to
The
dig.
map says the treasure is right under this spot.
Crane can see the whole map from way up
The
high.
Tiny Truck Team is looking closely at the map.
They found the X.
This is the spot. Let's start digging.
X marks the spot. It is time to dig, dig, dig.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's get started.
Wow, look! Layer number 1 is purple.
Digging through layer number 1. It's purple.
This is the pink layer. Layer number 2.
Now for layer number 2. It's a beautiful pink helping move the sand. Beep, beep. Dump Truck is doing a great job helping his
Layer
friend.
number 3 is orange. We are getting closer. 1, 2, and 3. That's a lot of colorful sand. Hard work, but I won't give up.
Digging can be hard work, but Excavator keeps going.
Do it, Excavator. We are right here. Bulldozer is cheering for his friend. Never give
Look at
up.
all the colors we found. Blue is layer 4.
Blue is layer number 4. Look at all those colors.
Wait, what are those shiny things at the bottom?
Look! I found a diamond shape.
Bulldozer found a diamond. Can you say diamond?
Perfect diamond. So shiny.
Crane is showing us the diamond shape. It has 4 pointed corners.
Here is an oval shape.
Now Bulldozer found an oval. It's like a long, smooth circle.
Here is an oval shape.
Now Bulldozer found an oval. It's like a long, smooth circle.
Diamond and an oval. We are great at finding shapes.
Diamond and oval. You are doing a great job learning your shapes. Shapes is so much fun. But we still need to find the treasure.
It's a bit tough, but I won't give up. It's the final dig. Don't give up, Excavator. Push, push.
The friends are helping Excavator. Teamwork makes everyone stronger.
Feel something. I found it.
Excavator did it! He found something very special. Treasure chest. Look!
A magical golden treasure chest. You found it.
Crane is lifting the treasure out of the ground.
What's inside? Let's see.
It's time to see what's inside the magic chest. Wow, so many toys.
Ooh, look at all those shiny surprises and colorful balloons.
Everything is so beautiful.
Excavator is so happy he didn't give up. His eyes are sparkling with joy.
Some medals. Beep, beep. Dump Truck is catching the golden medals. Everyone is a winner today. We did it together, team. Bulldozer and Crane look so proud of their hard work.
Persistent is the best. We found the treasure.
Great job, Excavator. You were very persistent and you never gave up.
Yay for the Tiny Truck Team.
What a fantastic treasure hunt. You learned about diamonds and ovals.
See you next time for more fun.
Remember, keep digging and never give up. You can find magic everywhere. The Tiny Truck Team worked together and found the best treasure of all, friendship.